beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody has been doing well. In today's video we are going to review a statement piece of, should I call it a purse or an accessory? So I actually got this item from Instagram. Instagram made me buy it, okay? I was all in 100%. I was scrolling on Instagram feed and I've not been, honestly, on Instagram for such a long time. I've actually think that I have abandoned my Instagram account for a long time now. Been very busy with YouTube, with my personal life, with working, and honestly I have not been on Instagram. So I was on there the other day for some reason, scrolling through my feed, and all of a sudden I saw this ad and I went to the page and it was, there is the item. And I'm telling you, it got me at first hello. It was so unique and I definitely wanted to try it out. I don't have anything like it in my collection. I don't think I have anything even remotely similar to it. I thought it was quite trendy. It was very different, and that's the reason why I decided to pick it up. I was so excited to get it. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. It is this biker wallet right here. Isn't it adorable? It has a massive chain on it. This is the chain. I think it's just so cool looking, and this, guys, is a silver tone chain. It's heavy. It's a metal chain. It's not super heavy, but it has weight to it. So before we go in any further, let's go into the dimension of this wallet. It's a small wallet, as you can see. It fits cards in there, a little bit of money, maybe a key, maybe a tube of chapstick or something like that, but not much more than that. As you can see, it doesn't have that much space, but it's a cute little accessory. I think it is one that is going to make a statement, especially if you're wearing thicker knitwears, if you're wearing more black on black outfits. It's going to make like that statement piece for your outfit. So the dimension for this is 3 inches in height, and it measures around 4 inches in length or width, and then around 1 inches in depth. Very tiny wallet, but that's why it's called the biker wallet, right? All right, so this model right here has the thicker chain, and I believe this is a 100% cowhide leather. It's made to be a glossier leather, and then the chain itself measures around 36.25 inches long. It has clips on the side. Okay, so I hope that's zooming in, and as you can see, it says Cara on the clip itself. That's the brand of this handbag. In the front of the wallet, it says Cara New York right there. And in the back, just like this, it has one slip pocket in the front right here. And then inside, you can unzip this by going this way with this zipper. This is what it looks like on the inside. And on the inside, it has 2 pockets. One slip pocket right here, a main compartment, and then on this other side, it has another slip pocket right there. Very small, dainty wallet. And I'm gonna try it on for you to see. It's so cute on. That's basically it for the specs of this wallet. Not much to talk about. The chain itself is silver tone chain. Like I said, it is made out of metal, so it is a heavier chain. It's not super light, and you can see the quality of the chain in the weight of it. So like I said, when I went on their Instagram page, I instantly fell in love with the biker chic accessories that they have. They have other handbags on there too. The pinch shoulder bags is really cute. They have the camera bag, I thought was really cute as well. And I think it's just so unique because of this chain right here. For this wallet, the wallet itself is small and lightweight, and the chain is bearable because it's not going to be a lot that you're going to carry. But for bigger bags, and the camera bags especially, or even their pinch bag, it's a bigger bag and it has the heavy chain on it as well. I don't know how that would fare out, because if you're putting a lot of things in the bag, especially with this heavy chain right here, not sure if that's gonna bear a lot more weight on the body than this right here. However, I think it's super cute aesthetic. Like I said, I love the aesthetic on Instagram. It got me right away, and I definitely bought into the image of this whole biker chic aesthetic. However, I don't know if I'm going to keep it because I feel like this is more for the trendier, younger crowd, and probably is not going to last with my classic style. I usually just go for classic stuff, but I wanted to review it for you guys because I thought it was such a cute and unique statement piece that would give that extra oomph into your outfit and make your outfit pop. So if that's what you're looking for, definitely check them out. But yes, let me show you some mock shots of what it looks like on my body. Alright guys, so that is basically it for me for this review. I just wanted to pop up here quickly just to show you this cute little item here. I'll link it in the description bar if you're interested in the item and want to check it out. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so we can see each other in the next video. See you later. Bye!